Candlesticks are created by the upward and downward movements in the price of a stock. If we are looking for a one-day time frame, then one candlestick will represent all the movements made by any particular stock on a single day. Each candlestick consists of three parts. The rectangular shape is known as the real body of the candlestick. The line drawn above the real body is known as the upper shadow, while the line drawn below the real body is known as the lower shadow. There are two types of candlesticks. One is known as the increasing or the bullish candlestick having a green color, and the second one is known as the decreasing or the bearish candlestick having a red color. The uppermost tip of the upper shadow represents the highest price attained by that stock on that single day, while the lowermost tip of the lower shadow represents the lowest price attained by that stock on that single day. In a bullish candlestick, the lower part of the real body represents the opening price of that stock during that time frame, and the upper part of the real body represents the closing price of that stock during that time frame. And since the closing price is greater than the opening price, hence the name increasing or bullish candlestick is used, since the price of that stock has increased during that whole day. Similarly, in a bearish candlestick, the lower part of the real body represents the closing price of that stock, and the upper part of the real body represents the opening price of that stock, showing us that the price of the stock has decreased during that time frame or time period, hence giving the name bearish or decreasing candlestick. So let us take an example. If the stock of a company A opens at rupees 10 and attains the highest price of rupees 20 and the lowest price of rupees 5, and if it closes at rupees 15, then an increasing candlestick is formed, and if it closes at rupees 7, then a decreasing candlestick is formed. So every stock opens with its most recent price during that time frame, which is known as its opening price, and during that time frame it attains its highest price, creating a high, and its lowest price, creating a low. And if the closing price is greater than the opening price, then a green colored bullish candlestick is formed. Otherwise, a red colored bearish candlestick is formed. Candlesticks are usually preferred over line charts, the reason being the line chart only shows the closing price of that stock during that particular time frame, while the candlestick shows the opening, closing, highest and the lowest price of that stock during that time frame, thus giving us a better and greater idea of the supply and demand of that stock during that time period. Investing in stock market is great, especially in your 20s, as it provides you with much greater risk appetite and it's a great asset to invest in. But I do not recommend investing heavily in stock market without having any prior knowledge about it, because you may end up losing all your money instead of gaining some. So learn from various sources about stock market investing and investing in general before entering into this arena. I will also be giving links of some of the highly recommended books on investing and money to start this new journey of yours, and I hope it helps.